Namaskar, it's Impithan and I'm back with some more fun videos. In today's video, I'm showing you guys what if kinetic sands are mixed into slime. So nobody has done like kinetic sand has mixed into slime, but I think this is the first time. So yeah, if you're new here or are not MJsquad, then make sure to smash that subscribe button and make sure to like if you haven't yet and click that bell icon to join the MJsquad if you haven't yet. So yeah, let's move on to the video now. I'm super excited. Okay guys, so first I have to make slime to mix with kinetic sand. So for that I have a bowl to make slime in, a spoon to mix slime in, a glue probably to make slime, and an activator. So yeah, let's make slime now. I'm gonna pour glue and we are going to separate it. Oh my gosh. So we are going to separate it into 6 parts. हामीले ग्लू राख्ने त यसमा धेरै नै चाहिन्छ होला किनकि 6 पार्ट्स हो नि त. Okay, so I think that will be enough because I don't know. Put activator. Okay, let's mix. As you guys can see, it's already forming. It's gonna be fluffy slime because this activator will make any clear glues fluffy. Slime fluffy. Okay guys, so the slime is kind of going to be done. As you guys can see, it's already kind of forming. So I'm gonna add a little more activator. Ani. Your fluffy slime हुँदैछ. Okay guys, so our slime is done. हाम्रो slime चाहिँ भयो. मैले mix गर्दा अनि मलाई लाग्छ यतिमा छवटा त slime आट्नै पर्छ यति त हुन्छ. अनि यस्तो त अच्छा यो fluffy slime हुन्छ भयो. And yeah, so now it's time to mix our kinetic sands into our slime. So yeah, first we have to divide them into 6 parts. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I hope this will be enough. Yeah, it will. अब हामीले 6 पार्ट्समा डिवाइड गरे. अब हामीले अब यसमा मिक्स गर्ने 6 होला. So yeah, so first one is pink one. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm excited to see how it will be. Look, it's gonna look, so yeah, so cloudy. Ooh. Okay, let's mix. Oh my gosh, let's mix a little by little, okay? Alikati mix ganun. Ready? Okay. Oh my gosh, it is melting. Wait. It is yeah, it is melted. I thought it would be nice. No, यो त मेल्ट भयो. पग्ल्यो यो त. मलाई थियो राम्रो हुन्छ भनेर. Okay guys, यस्तो बिजोक हुँदो रहेछ मलाई थाहा छैन. Don't try this at home. I won't recommend you guys. This is so bad. Okay, so first it was melted like this. So I mixed like half of the slime literally, like 3 slimes, and then it turned out quite good. But yeah. So अब म थाहा भयो अब यस्तो हुँदो रहेछ भनेर अब मैले अलिअलि kinetic slime राखेर हेर्छु अब हुन्छ कि हुन्न भनेर. So yeah. Let's mix another one now. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna mix next color one. This aqua blue teal-esque color, I know. Okay, aba aliti. Ito raखेर हेर्नु है त. Okay. यसमा. यति ल. Oh no, no. Oh no, it's melting. Wait. Wait, it's kind of melting already. Oh, strong. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's already so melting. Okay, this is enough. Yeah, that cool. Okay, so the joke got but now this last one, I think I have to make it again. Okay, so next color is this brown chocolate one. I think let's mix them now. I never thought that it will be like this. Oh wait, it's melting. La poglion mira peri sa pagkain. Okay, okay, it's good. It's good. It's good. Okay. I think it's good. Okay. So I think I have to make another slime now. Okay guys, so I've made a slime and yeah, so first now we're gonna put this red kinetic sand. But yeah. I hope this will be enough. Okay. Let's mix them together. Oh no, it's going to melt. Wait. Wait. No, it is melted. I think I'll need a little bit of activator. Okay. So this turned out really orange, peachy color, but it is red actually. Okay guys, so now next slime. And now I'm gonna mix peach color kinetic sand in it. And I'm gonna add this much. Okay. Hopefully this won't melt. Okay guys, so this slime turned out really nice. But now next slime. Okay guys, so next slime is this this colored lemon green plus like yellow colored kind of. Okay guys, so now I'm again going to put this lemon color because it's not really that color, so yeah, hopefully it won't melt now. Yeah. Okay, it's nice. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's kind of melting. No. Okay guys, so I have made all the slimes. This is blue slime. This is this is pink and brown slime. And this is blue slime, and this is red, orange, and then peach slime. It's not really peach, this is peach so far. Okay, so now we are going to mix all of the slimes and see which color it will turn out. Let me know in the comment which color do you think it's gonna turn. I think like brownish, purplish color. Okay, let's mix. Now, okay, this color. We are gonna mix in this ball. Okay, so pink slime. Okay, mix it up. Super excited. Okay, this brown one. Okay, blue one. Okay. Okay. So this green lemon green one. Oh, okay. mix them. Okay, it's time to mix them. This is melted slime, the pink one. It's so horrible. Okay. So anyways, let's mix now. Look at the color. It's so pretty, like a light pink. Okay. Ooh, I'm super excited. It will turn so big. Okay. Okay. Oh. Look at this rainbow color. It's so pretty. Ooh. So pretty. Look at this. Okay, so now it's really hard to mix this big slime. Okay. Okay, oh my gosh, it's so like pinkish peach color. Oh my gosh, it's peach color. So peach color. Let's mix it. Okay guys, so this slime turned out so cool. I love it so much. And its bubble is so nice. Look at this. Ooh, okay. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I also know that this KINETIC sand is mixed into slime. Then it will be so melted. So, if you want to try, then you can just try in little KINETIC sands. Don't try in that whole thing because it's going to be really hard. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then make sure to like. And if you are not subscribed yet, then make sure to press the subscribe button and click the bell icon. So if you want to get shout out your name from me, then make sure to subscribe, click the bell icon, and comment #MGSquad and something nice to get shout out your name from me. Bye bye. Love you. Okay guys, so I put it a little bit of activator. Okay guys, so next slime is this. Okay. Next yan, so